Okay, I'd like to go over real quick in this Joomla tutorial the difference between sections and categories and basically how you use them to organize content. Sections are always above categories, so if you think of it, the section would be the bowl, the category would be the cereal. So in my example here at idthebox.com, I have some different sections in here: labels and ribbons, labeling equipment. These were default sections that were just in there through the Joomla installation. But basically, people come to this site, they're going to buy equipment or they're going to buy label supplies, labels and ribbons. So to start off, I just narrowed it down, or I just started off with these two sections right here. Piece of cake. So now what we do is we go into categories, and we want to categorize different parts of each section. So I have, again, there's a bunch of Joomla stuff in here, but here we have label printer applicators, industrial printers, apply only labelers, and you come over here and I have those under the section labeling equipment. Labels and ribbons, that's my thermal printer labels and thermal printer ribbons. So you can see that kind of organizes everything. Now how does this affect anything? Basically what we do is if we go to the website here and we go to equipment, click on that, and when it loads you come up here, take a look at the URL. I have idthebox.com, and here's my section name, labeling equipment, and then it's taking you to labeling equipment.html. And that's because basically what I did is let's go back in here, go to my menu, and this is my top menu. No, I'm sorry. Yes, it is my top menu. Okay, and you see here's my equipment label menu item, and I have it linking to articles section blog. Now what that does is that will take the articles that I have in those particular sections, labeling equipment, labeling equipment, labeling equipment, and what it does is it puts them in a blog layout on the page, basically one after another. And the nice thing is that you can actually, let's go back into the top menu here. If you want, you can actually link it to a section blog layout, or what you do is you come down here and you can also link it to a category blog layout or a category list or section list layout. So those are a couple different options. And then now one thing to always consider is that how your URL is displayed is affected a great deal by any kind of SEF components, you search engine friendly components you have installed. I'm on a GoDaddy server right now, and I've been having some problems with SH404 SEF for some reason, which is what I usually use, but I just installed Smart SEF, and so far it's working very well. So just remember that your URLs can drastically change based on your SEF component. And that's about all there is for this tutorial. If it was helpful, useful, please rate and rank it. Otherwise, visit geekepic.com and register there if you like, and I'll try and keep feeding you guys with more information. Thanks.